Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your searches by price in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on the search symbol there. And here you can just find a product, or you can just press on a category. And after that you can just press on the price filter. If you cannot see it here, you can just press on filters and press on price now, and you can just select here the price range and press on view, and now you will be able to see every item that is basically in that price range. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.